We're here at the Marriott Hotel here in Tucson, Arizona. Remember these northern elevators here? Well, I hate to say it, but they're getting modernized by KONE. That's right. These elevators here are being modernized by KONE. Ugh. Got these brand new ugly fixtures. That's locked. Here are 8. That sign right there. Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
2.
2.
Okay. Thank you. I get it. Yeah, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How's that working?
Let's get the view.
Here's the nice one.
Look at all that stuff down there. Oh, look at panel. I gotta get that. Look at the panel. Oh shit. There's a northern panel right there. That's right. KONE is modernizing these. They run pretty smooth. So, going up, guys?
Yes, sir.
Come on in.
All right. Next one. 6.
6. I'm just kind of surprised that they're modernizing these elevators. Here you go.
All right. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Very nice cabs. I think the cab is original, but yeah, basically they slap on new fixtures. But hey, right down there, I don't know if you can see, but they got all the elevator equipment down there. So I might ask the KONE guys to give me a panel or something like that. There's a panel right there. Tell? Look at that. Well, there it is. KONE is doing the modernization. And I guess that is going to be it.